guys, we're finally trying out itong trending na cucumber na to. I think it's called Logan's Cucumber Salad. So, meron tayong pipino, UP, MSG, salt and pepper, sesame oil. Meron tayong crab sticks. Meron natin tong crab stick. Some salt. The famous MSG, Ajinomoto. Ooh, sarap! Grabe! This is not the exact recipe, pero pwede na to, di ba? Nung pinapanood ko yung mga video niya, lagi na ako nag-crave dito sa cucumber na to. Guys, itry nyo na.